Hello traders worldwide, welcome back. This is MJ Crypto, and in today's session, it's actually going to be a very amazing one. I'm going to be showing you some of the tips that you should know before drawing your support and resistance, okay? Right here on your chart. So straight to the point, we have in front of us right now, Bitcoin charts, and we're actually on the weekly time frame. Now, the reason we actually want to plot this on the weekly time frame is because the weekly time frame is one amazing time frame that holds strong or intense buying or selling pressure. All right. And the institutional traders, those who move the market, usually they make use of this amazing time frame, the weekly, right? So first thing I want to do is to come here on trading view and select this rectangle box. Now, before I do that, practically, I want to explain something to you that support and resistance is not a line. It's a zone. It's a zone on your chart. It's actually a zone. It's not a line. So it must not be a perfect line, but it must be a perfect or almost perfect zone where prices will touch as many areas as possible. Now, we're going to take our rectangle tool, and the first one we want to actually pinpoint is the areas where we have impulsive moves. Now, a lot of traders will tell you that it is where you have major rejections. Fine, that's good enough, but that's not the only confluence, all right? Now, it is where you have an impulsive move. That is where you start drawing your support and resistance from. Now, if you look at this chart very clearly, let me use my arrow tool. We had an impulsive move from here to this point, all right? And price retested this level again. So automatically, here is a key level already, all right? Here is what? A key level already. Now, if we look back, let me make this chart, just take this chart up. Now, if you look very clearly here, you can see this area, right? It's an impulsive move, isn't it? We have an impulsive move here. Price ran down to this point and retested this area again. You see it? And came back again to retest this same area. So both of these areas are key zones. They are what? Key levels. All right? Let me just take off this guy. So yeah. So basically, these are key levels. All right, so when we want to plot our support and resistance, let's start that right now. We want to start from the immediate price action where we are currently in the market. All right, we want to plot it from where we are. So let's do that. Remember, impulsive moves. So we're going to take this as our first impulsive move. Bam. But in order to make this simpler for you if you're a newbie, I can actually just gauge this with my eyes. But in order for you to make this simpler, this is what you're going to do. We're going to switch this from candles to lines. And now on lines, and we'll be plotting our key levels of support and resistance, touching or covering all the lines that price could get to. Okay? All the lines that price could get to. Now, look at the next impulsive move here. Is this one here, right? Good. Our next impulsive move somewhere around here. Now, this impulsive move caused this drastic move to the upside. Just show. This move caused a move to the upside, and it retested it. So here is confirmed already. Let's look for another one. Another impulsive move. Yeah, I can see another one somewhere around here. Somewhere around here around this 25K zone to 30K, 33K, around this zone, right? So we can say this is another what? Impulsive move. Now, where is the impulsive move here? Let's look at it. Here to here, and it retested it. That's another impulsive move. Now, seeing another move here again, this is actually another impulsive move where BTC currently is right now. This is another impulsive move that just happened. That has just happened here down, has retested this level. So at this level now, we can say this is actually another key level. Now, forget about all of these ones here. Forget about all these things. Forget about these areas. These are minor structures. They are not key levels. They are just minor structures. Now, it will plot this back into candlesticks. You're going to see that we have a very, very perfect support and resistance level. This is absolutely perfect, isn't it? Absolutely perfect. Now, this is for BTC. Now, let's do the same for, let's try another altcoin. Let's see. Okay, let's say Kava USDT. I love this coin so much. Love this coin so much. Oh, I've plotted for this already. Okay, let me see Ethereum USDT. Okay, I don't think I've done anything. I've basically plotted all my key levels already. Okay, let's see what BNB is saying. I don't think I've done anything for BNB. Wrong though. Okay, I just drew a horizontal line. So let's plot this for BNB. BNB is actually doing well. I'm even surprised that BNB of all coins is performing well. So now let's go to the 1 week time frame. Let's see the market from a wider spectrum. Wider what? Spectrum. So the first thing we want to do, very first thing we want to do is come here, identify our what? Area of impulse. Area of impulse, we have one here. We have from this point to this point, back to this point again. So that's confirmed. That is an area of what? Impulse. So we're going to draw, let me put this online. We're going to draw, we're going to take it to cover here straight up. Right now, the next thing we want to do is come back again and try and observe where we had another what? Impulsive move. Next impulsive move is somewhere around here. Yes, somewhere around here. So I'm going to draw this to cover, to touch all of these moves. And we're going to adjust it. Now, the next key level, don't worry, when we put it on candles now, we'll be able to adjust it, touch all the various points. All right. Let's see how price consolidated here. So the next one we want to take now Should be somewhere around, let's go back again. Should be somewhere around here. Take an impulsive move, cost from here to this point. I think this is even a better one than this. Yeah, because price was just consolidating within the zone. So I wouldn't want to take this. Let's take the second one instead. Let's take this. This looks more like more realistic zone. All right, then we had another one again at the bottom. Had another one again. This level. Then yes, let's go back to our candlesticks. Now you see how perfectly done this is? Of course, we're going to drag it to this point. Let it touch as many points as possible. Can you see this? Put this online now, you see it. It's perfectly done. It's perfectly what? Perfectly done. Yeah, I think we got it right this time. It's perfectly done. Put your candlesticks back. So as you can see, this is exactly where we are. So you can easily use this as one of your key trading strategies just by plotting your support and resistance effectively well. So now we know that if price should by any means go back into this range, that automatically means that here is a capitulation. That means all of these areas are, oops, sorry. That means all of these areas are just basically capitulation, trying to shake out the weak hands of the market. Just trying to shake out all the weak hands. We call it a capitulation or a deviation. So when price gets back into this range and settles above this range, then we should be looking for buy opportunities. We should be looking for buy opportunities. Oh yes, should be looking for buy opportunities. When price gets above this range, we should be looking for buy opportunities. In the next video, I'm going to talk more about capitulation, what exactly is going on the world crypto market. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on anything at all. All right, this is total 3. This is the last one we did. You can see where we are currently in the market. We're hoping that we get a cross above this level, jump across it, then, start looking for buy opportunities for more alts. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is where we are right now. All right, peace out, guys. One love. Love you all so much. Cheers.